Frontier, well, two Frontiers, a Rogue, and a Pathfinder, but no Sentra at the moment.
Got it. All right. Well, sir, I appreciate it very much.
Yeah, absolutely. Did you want me to give you a call in case you get one in?
No, it's all right. I'll just poke around and I'll just see if I find something. Hey, I was on the website probably about like a week or so ago, and I thought I saw a 21 Nissan Sentra. It was red, and I don't see it now. I just want to see if you still have it, please.
21 red Nissan Sentra?
Yes, sir. I thought I wrote a few down, and I thought that's what I saw.
Yeah, I mean, you check really quick. Let me open up the website.
Sure.
And
Already
what was
blown.
your name, sir?
Kyle. Call's already blown, right? What's wrong right now? The computer's not your friend. You guys agree with that? Because he doesn't have the car. He's a clack. What? You guys remember what I called these guys? Clack fiend. Click, clack, click, clack. His only shot at setting the appointment is if he has the what?
The red one, correct?
Yeah. 20 Nissan Sentra, whatever call it.
No.
That is a...
It says you
Call
have a Frontier, well, two Frontiers, a Rogue, and a Pathfinder, but no Sentra at the moment.
Got it. All right. Well, sir, I appreciate it very much.
Yeah, absolutely. Did you
Cool.
want me to give you a call in case you get one in?
No, it's all right. I'll just poke around and I'll just see if I find something.
Okay. And then our website also has the other Nissans. I don't know if you're looking for specifically Sentra. Again, if you are, I can always let you know.
Sweet. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
I love you. Stay back. All right, so what's my whole point? Was I hard on that guy? No. If I do that to you guys do the same thing, to be honest. 2021 Nissan Sentra, that is a... You call the... Let me do this. Let me check on that Sentra. While I'm checking on that Sentra, I could also check on other vehicles like it too. Does anybody want to buy a 21 Nissan Sentra? No. Why am I calling on that car though? Did I just win the lottery? Yeah, right? So what's my point here? What am I saying to you guys? You can't lie to anybody though. You got to compliment the choice and then expand.